Hi guys! Quick honest review lang po tayo sa bagong earning application. Ito nga po si Trek. May libre po tayo na 20 pesos na balance. Once po na nag-register tayo, then meron po tayong 10 pesos na libre everyday. Tapos guys, ang minimum withdraw po dito is 100 pesos. Wala po siyang withdrawal fee. So, 24 hours po ang withdrawal. So, ang minimum investment guys is 200 pesos, which is kikita ng 52 pesos per day. Tapos, yung 300 pesos mo, kikita ng 81 pesos per day. Yung 500 pesos mo, kikita ng 140 pesos per day. Yung 1,000 pesos mo, 300 pesos per day. Ayan po. So, ang pinakamataas nila na product is 45,000, which is 21,600 yung daily return. In 3 days, bawi na may kasama na rin siyang punan. So, yun guys, if you want to invest dito, ilalagay ko na lang po sa pinned comment section ko yung aking link. And again guys, invest what you can afford to lose lang guys. And please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Bye-bye!